One car's transmission self-destructs before 100,000 miles, and it costs $5,000 to replace. A truck built for off-road use has brakes that fail when they touch dirt. An engine trusted by families for decades now has 1.4 million units under federal investigation. These 7 Japanese cars are sending owners to shops with impossible repair bills. The countdown starts at number 7, with a sedan hiding a 20-year transmission crisis. Number 7. Nissan Altima's transmission problems have haunted owners for nearly 2 decades. The Altima's continuously variable transmission, commonly called CVT, is notorious for shuddering, jerking, and sudden loss of power, sometimes before the odometer even hits 60,000 miles. Owners describe a telltale vibration on moderate hills, a judder that signals the steel belt inside the CVT is slipping. Mechanics routinely find burnt brown fluid on the drain plug, a clear sign the transmission has overheated and the internal bearings are failing. Service invoices for a full CVT rebuild range from $3,200 to $5,800, and many shops advise trading in the car rather than risking another breakdown. Nissan has issued multiple technical service bulletins and even extended the CVT warranty to 10 years or 100,000 miles. But the underlying design flaw remains. For buyers, a simple hill test, accelerating gently uphill, often reveals the early warning, shudder. Checking the transmission fluid for discoloration can catch problems before total failure. Mechanics warn that even with the warranty, downtime and repeated repairs make the Altima a risky bet for anyone hoping for the long-term reliability. Japanese sedans once promised. Number 6. Mitsubishi Outlander drivers have faced a wave of recalls that go far beyond ordinary maintenance headaches. In June 2025, a nationwide recall targeted both the Outlander and the Outlander PHEV, covering more than 112,000 vehicles because of a defective fuel pump seal. The recall notice warns that this faulty seal can allow gasoline to leak directly into the engine bay, raising the risk of fire, a scenario no family SUV shopper expects. Alongside the fuel issue, a separate recall addresses the backup camera, which has a history of going blank without warning, leaving drivers with no rear visibility. Owner forums and dealer service records document a steady stream of complaints about persistent gasoline odors inside the cabin, complaints often dismissed by service advisors until the recall was announced. Mitsubishi's 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty might look reassuring, but mechanics point out that it does not shield buyers from the stress of repeated inspections or the inconvenience of waiting for parts during a major safety campaign. Before considering a used Outlander, experts recommend checking the recall status by vehicle identification number, inspecting for any lingering fuel smells, and confirming that the camera system functions properly at every start. For buyers, these overlapping safety and reliability concerns turn what should be a straightforward crossover purchase into a gamble with both money and peace of mind. The 2024 Toyota Tacoma's first-year redesign has exposed critical safety flaws, shaking its reputation for dependability. Federal investigators flagged 106,000 four-wheel drive Tacomas for a rear brake hose defect because mud and debris can collect around the hose and lead to cracks or ruptures. When this happens, brake fluid can leak out and rear braking power can vanish without warning, especially after off-road use or heavy rain. Toyota's remedy is a redesigned hose, but until it is installed, every muddy drive risks sudden brake loss. Another recall targets about 6,000 trucks built with a driveshaft joint made from the wrong alloy. Under stress, this joint can fracture, causing the driveshaft to separate. The consequences range from rollaway in park to abrupt loss of power, both serious threats for anyone relying on their Tacoma. Early reports also point to harsh shifting from the new 8-speed automatic, and Toyota removed the transmission dipstick, leaving owners unable to check fluid condition. Inspecting rear brake hoses and confirming recall repairs is essential before trusting this Tacoma redesign. Number 4 brings the Mazda CX-90 and CX-70, 2 premium SUVs that promise luxury but deliver a bumpy ride in more ways than one. For buyers expecting refinement at a price tag north of $50,000, the reality can be jarring. Literally, owners have reported a pronounced lurch or jolt when shifting through the first 3 gears, a problem rooted in Mazda's new wet clutch automatic transmission. Instead of the seamless acceleration expected in this segment, the transmission sometimes grabs hard, especially in city driving or low-speed traffic. Consumer Reports responded by downgrading the reliability score for both models, citing a surge of complaints about rough shifting and unpredictable gear engagement. The trouble does not end with the drivetrain. In early 2025, Mazda issued a recall for over 104,000 CX-90s and CX-70s for a critical fuel gauge defect. The faulty sensor can misreport how much gas is left, leaving drivers stranded with an empty tank when the dash still shows miles to go. The recall fix involves a software update and, in some cases, hardware replacement, a hassle for any owner, and especially galling in a vehicle that sells itself as a premium experience. Before signing for a CX-90 or CX-70, buyers are urged to test drive for shift smoothness, check recall completion by VIN, and consider whether paying luxury prices is worth beta testing a new powertrain. Number 3 brings the Nissan Rogue into sharp focus, as federal recall notices now cover nearly 640,000 vehicles for 2 separate, severe powertrain failures. The first recall targets the 2.5-liter engine, where oil temperatures can spike during everyday highway driving. When that happens, the main bearings lose their protective oil film, metal grinds against metal, and the engine can seize without warning. Mechanics have documented cases where a simple summer road trip ended with a dead engine and a repair bill north of $8,000. Nissan's own technical bulletins warn that prolonged high-speed use in warm climates accelerates this failure, and replacement parts are in such high demand that many owners face months-long backlogs waiting for engines. The second recall strikes the throttle body, where a critical gear made from soft aluminum is prone to fracturing under heat and stress. When the gear teeth break, the throttle can stick or snap shut, causing sudden loss of power or even stalling in traffic, a direct safety risk. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration has flagged both issues as potential fire hazards, and some owners report repeated repair attempts without a permanent fix. These recalls hit at a time when Nissan is slashing dealer support budgets and facing a downgraded credit rating, raising real concerns about long-term parts availability and warranty coverage. For buyers, the warning signs are clear. Check the recall status by vehicle identification number, demand proof of engine and throttle repairs, and think twice before trusting a Rogue to deliver the reliability its badge once promised. Number 2 brings the Honda Pilot and Odyssey with the 3.5-liter V6 into the harshest spotlight yet. In August 2025, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration opened a sweeping investigation, ODI Docket PE 25008, covering nearly 1.4 million vehicles after a flood of complaints about catastrophic engine failure. The core problem is premature connecting rod bearing wear. When these bearings start to degrade, owners hear a distinct knocking or ticking from deep in the engine. Ignore that sound. The consequences are brutal. The bearing can seize, locking up the engine, sometimes within minutes. TSA's file includes 414 owner complaints, over 2,600 manufacturer field reports, and at least 4 incidents where the failure led to a crash or fire. For many, the only fix is a full engine replacement, an eye-watering $10,000 job that often wipes out a family's savings. Mechanics warn that by the time the oil pressure light flickers or the knock gets loud, it is already too late. The best shot at avoiding disaster is to listen for any new ticking at idle or under light throttle, especially after long drives or in hot weather, and to check your VIN against the NHTSA investigation list. For buyers, this is the single most expensive repair risk in the lineup, and a stark reminder that even brands with spotless reputations can leave owners stranded with a bill no warranty will cover. And finally, in first place, the Infiniti QX80 2025 stands as a cautionary tale for anyone equating price with peace of mind. This luxury SUV starts at $70,000 and climbs past $90,000 when fully loaded, yet it shares a platform with the Nissan Armada, which costs $30,000 to $40,000 less. The promise of flagship refinement quickly unravels when owners report backup cameras freezing just as they shift into reverse, leaving a blank screen where a safety-critical view should be. Infotainment system reboots have become a regular nuisance, sometimes occurring mid-drive and wiping out navigation and audio controls without warning. Even climate control systems are prone to spontaneous resets, forcing drivers to re-enter settings while on the road. Key features like HomeLink, once standard for garage access, have quietly disappeared from the options list, raising questions about cost-cutting at the highest trim levels. Manufacturer recall bulletins and a wave of owner video evidence document these electronics failures, with some drivers forced to return their vehicles multiple times before seeing a fix. For a vehicle marketed as the pinnacle of Japanese luxury, the QX80's track record on critical safety and convenience systems is alarming. Before signing for this flagship, buyers should test every electronic function, backup camera, infotainment, climate, and remote access repeatedly, both at the dealership and on a real-world drive. With the highest price-to-risk ratio in the segment, the QX80 is a stark reminder that a premium badge no longer guarantees reliability or safety. Across all 7 vehicles, one pattern stands out. Reputation now protects flawed cars from real scrutiny. When $5,000 in repairs, federal probes, and silent recalls hit owners, trust isn't enough. For buyers, vigilance matters more than the badge. The road to reliability starts with asking hard questions before you sign.